Hi guys, welcome to Q&E English. Learn English with quick and easy manner. Today we are going to learn about simple present tense. Let's get started. Simple present tense. The simple present tense is used to describe habits, unchanging situation, general truths, fixed arrangements. Formula of present simple tense. Positive statements. Subject plus verb as or es plus object. Examples: I get up early every day. He gets up early every day. As a negative sentences, subject plus do or does plus not plus verb plus object. For example, I do not get up early every day. He does not get up early every day. The question statements, do or does plus subject plus verb plus object question mark. Examples: do I get up early every day? Does he get up early every day? In some statements like negative and question sentences, we use do or does with the subject. We use do and do not, don't with the first person and third person subject like I, we, you, they. Similarly, use does and does not, doesn't with the second person subject like he, she, it respectively. Verb agreement. In the present tense, nouns and verbs form plurals in opposite ways. Nouns add an s to the singular form. Verbs remove the s from the singular form. For example, the dog chases the cat. Dog is singular noun and we add chases verb as. The dogs chase the cat. Dogs are plural noun and we remove s from chase. The dogs chase the cat. Examples: my father wakes up at 7 a.m. every day. He leaves for the house at 7 a.m. every morning. I like reading history books. She comes from Iran. I love painting flowers. Mary goes to school by bus. My friends and I play in the park. David drinks coffee when he is tired. The bus arrives at 1 o'clock. I play football in the evening. Present simple tense. Habitual actions. He gets up at 8 a.m. He drinks tea in the morning. She keeps her home neat and tidy. I read the newspaper every morning. Actions that occurs regularly. For example, Mona leaves the school on time. Thing that continues to happen. For example, she lives in Mumbai. Repeated action. There are some examples. I play tennis. She does not play tennis. Does he play tennis? The train leaves every morning at 8 a.m. The train does not leave at 9 a.m. When does the train usually leave? She always forgets her purse. He never forgets his wallet. Every 12 months, the earth circles the sun. Does the sun circle the earth? Facts or generalizations. There are some examples. Cats like milk. birds do not like milk? Do pigs like milk? Delhi is in India. Windows are made of glass. Windows are not made of wood. Mumbai is a small city. Schedule events in the near future. There are some examples. The train leaves tonight at 6 p.m. The bus does not arrive at 11 a.m. It arrives at 11 p.m. When do we board the plane? The party starts at 8 o'clock. When does class begin tomorrow? Now. Examples. I am here now. She is not here now. He needs help right now. He does not need help now. He has his passport in his hand. Do you have your passport with you? Examples of present simple tense in sentence. He plays the piano as a positive sentence. He does not play the piano as a negative sentence. Does he play the piano? Question. Romy loves to eat burgers. Positive sentence. Romy does not love to eat burgers. Negative sentence. Does Romy love to eat burgers? Questions. We produce biogas from manure. Positive. We do not produce biogas from manure. Negative sentence. Do we produce biogas from manure? Questions. Statement. I come from Paris. Positive statement. I do not come to Paris. Negative statement. Do I come to Paris? Question statement. Arjun writes a letter. I never eat bananas. The theatre opens at 9 o'clock. Damaged roads cause many road accidents. The Cricket World Cup holds place every 4 years. His elder brother lives in Chicago. She believes in God. The earth revolves around the sun. Wheat needs medium water to grow in farmland. They play basketball games daily. Maratha does not like his classmate Jonathan's behavior. Which month reopens the school? Apples don't grow in hot climates. Does she come here on time? I don't like your attitude. I usually look to meet my daughter in her hostel. Do you complete my words? This perfume smells fantastic. The doctor understands after his patient in the hospital. You belong to this place? Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.